There are people making thousands of dollars per week in passive income selling basic products online that you can now create with the help of AI. Since AI is everywhere we look now, it has offered an incredible opportunity for new digital products and print-on-demand businesses to flourish. All you have to do is find a product that is relatively untapped and profitable, which is why today I'm going to show you exactly how to sell print-on-demand stickers on Etsy from the comfort of your own home. These stickers can earn at least $1,000 in profit per week. And since we're using AI to help us, you don't need any prior graphic design skills. You don't even need your own sticker maker because we will use a print-on-demand company that will actually create and ship the stickers to customers for us. I'm going to walk you through this entire process in 5 simple steps from designing your stickers to actually selling them on Etsy. Here are some examples of really cute, high-quality stickers I generated using the method I'm showing you today, which I will be uploading to my new print-on-demand Etsy shop later on. Now, if you're already asking, am I allowed to sell AI designs on Etsy? And who owns the rights to the AI images I generate? I will cover that in this video. Let's get into step number 1 for creating your stickers, which is to get design ideas. For this, I'm going onto ChatGPT, which is free to sign up with your email, to brainstorm some vinyl sticker ideas. So I typed in, give me some vinyl sticker ideas to sell on Etsy. And it gave me a lot of amazing options to consider. I love the idea of animal stickers, but I want to get more specific and find a product that has less competition on the market. Jumping onto Marmalade, which is an Etsy research tool, I found some sticker ideas that have high search volume, which means many shoppers are searching for them, and low competition. It's a great way to search the current trends so you're not jumping into a super saturated product idea that will take forever to sell. I landed on the idea of corgi stickers based on all of the research. So next, you can get design inspiration from Etsy to see what's currently selling really well on the market. It's also reassuring that the keyword corgi sticker only has just over 5,000 results, which means competition really is fairly low. There are shops making multiple sales, getting a lot of reviews, so it's a great idea to move forward with. Your next step is to now create your high-quality AI stickers. I'm going to use Kittl AI to create them because Kittl was specifically made for print-on-demand products, so it produces high-quality images with a transparent background for you, unlike many other text-to-image generators that I have tested online. You can try Kittl's Pro plan for 30 days entirely for free using the link below. Just use code SandraJune at checkout. This offer is only valid for 7 days, so if you're watching this video in time, great. If you're not, I'll try getting more promo codes for you. So start a new artboard and set your DPI to 300. Then go to this star icon right here called Kittl AI. It will look similar to any other text-to-image generators where you type out your prompt and it will create a unique image for you. What I love about Kittl is that it is very customizable. You can choose the style of image or clip art that you want. For stickers, I would use their clip art styles and vector styles. I'm going to select the kawaii style and type in a corgi. You can get more specific and type in a corgi laying down, a corgi wearing sunglasses, or whatever type of designs you want to sell. It generated this image, which I think is super cute. And what's great is if you don't like the first graphic, just generate the same prompt again for a completely new graphic. You'll notice that your graphic has a background, which is fine because Kittl has a built-in AI background remover. Now, instead of using this graphic as is, I decided to add a little touch of my own to it. So I used Kittl's elements to find a heart and included some text in there to create this final sticker design. You can use all of Kittl's built-in fonts and graphics in your designs under their subscription with no copyright issues. Once you're happy with your design, download it at the top here as a PNG file. Make sure to toggle remove background on. Your product is ready to go and upload to your shop, which is step number 3. If you don't have an Etsy shop, simply scroll to the bottom on Etsy and click on Sell on Etsy and select Get Started. Each time you upload a product on Etsy, it charges you 20 cents. So if you want to save a bit of money, you can get your first 40 products listed entirely for free when you open your shop using my link down below. We're going to use Printify, which is the print-on-demand company that will create and ship the stickers for us every time we make a sale on Etsy. It is completely free to use, so go ahead and sign up using the link down below. You will now integrate your Etsy shop with Printify. So go to manage my stores at the top here, connect, select connect to Etsy, and grant Printify access to your Etsy shop. And that's it. Now Printify will get notified each time you make a sale on Etsy, and they take care of the rest. To upload your sticker designs, go to Printify's catalog and select magnets and stickers. I'm just going to choose the best seller, which is the Kiss Cut stickers here. Click on Start Designing, and this is where you're going to upload your PNG file that you downloaded from Kittl. When you're happy with the placement, go to Save Product, and this is where you will see the mock-up images generated by Printify, and that will be included in your Etsy product listing. At this stage, before you go ahead and publish your sticker to your Etsy shop, I would create more mock-up images of your sticker, which is step number 4. To do this, go back to Kittl and add a white border to your sticker so that it looks like a sticker. Just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to change the background color of this artboard, and then I'll remove it at the end. Copy and paste your AI graphic, click on Image Vectorizer, increase the border weight here, and change it to white. Send it to the back and line it up with your sticker to create that white outline. I added a white border to the heart and text here, so when you're done, download this as a PNG file. You can grab free mockups from a website called Pexels, which is what I used to find this image. I want to show the sticker being used on a laptop. You can also buy mockups on many platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Upload your mockup on Kittl and bring in your sticker file to place on top. So I'm just going to line up my sticker just like that. I think that looks good. You can now download these images that you've created to include in your Etsy product listing. It's a great way to showcase how your stickers can be used in different ways. The final piece of this before we can actually see our finished product published on Etsy is to add a title and description, and to not just use the default ones that Printify includes for you, which is step number 5. ChatGPT is great for getting ideas on what to include in your description. So for example, I typed in, write out an Etsy product description for a corgi sticker. It was actually really good and super detailed. I would copy and paste this into my description and tweak it to add relevant keywords and make sure it matches my exact product. I will link my video on Etsy keyword research down below for you so you know exactly how to fill out your title and description with relevant keywords. After hitting publish, this is what our corgi sticker looks like on Etsy. It is officially active and available for shoppers to view and purchase. Now, as I mentioned, when a customer purchases your sticker, you don't have to do anything because Printify will get notified and they will create that sticker, package it, and ship it to your customer. You don't pay Printify anything out of your own pocket because they make their profit by taking a cut from the actual sale. You'll now want to rinse and repeat. Etsy is a numbers game, and the more high quality stickers you publish to your shop, the more traffic and sales you will get. Okay, to answer the question, am I allowed to sell AI designs on Etsy? After madly searching through their policies to see if I can find anything they have to say about AI, they don't actually have any rules against it. Just like anything, this might change in the future, but I personally reached out to customer support and asked what the Etsy policies are regarding AI-generated images. They confirmed that it is allowed, so I was sure to save this chat and share it with you guys. What I would personally avoid is reselling AI images as is. I would always recommend adding your own spin to it, maybe including extra elements and fonts like I showed in this tutorial. Now, who owns the rights to the AI images I generate? If you are using Kittl, you are allowed to use the AI images you generate in your digital products and print-on-demand products for personal use. They do not allow you to offer them as commercial use for third parties. So for example, if you're selling stickers, you have to let your customers know in your description that these stickers are only for their own personal use. They cannot take these stickers and try reselling them to other people. With that said, you have to read the policies of any AI tool you use because they are all different in what they offer, and they are constantly changing. Don't forget to sign up for the free 30-day Kittl Pro plan using the link down below and code SandraJune at checkout. Again, this offer is only valid for 7 days. Make sure to sign up on Printify, which is entirely free, using the link below to start designing and publishing your high-quality stickers. Now that you know how to publish products to your Etsy shop, the next step is to actually promote them. So head over to this video next to learn how to drive external traffic to your shop, and I'll see you there.